Today we will be looking at a 5-minute trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute trading strategy. And so this video ties in with the other videos that we have done on the best 5 or the top 5 trading strategy indicators. And so basically the source video gave 5 different indicators. Those indicators, just as standalone indicators, according to the video, are the best 5 indicators as far as their win rate and returns and so on. And so this particular one is called the MOBO bands. Let's see, so we'll pull it up here. MOBO bands here by Barrett Dinning. And you can see it here down on the bottom. Basically, you would take sell positions when it gives a sell signal, buy position when it gives a buy signal. And the risk reward was 1 to 1.5. We'll go ahead and go over the numbers here real quick. And so we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. And so obviously that is not going to do too well. It's put you at a pretty significant loss by the time it is all said and done. And so this one definitely isn't going to be definitely not the big winner that it claims to be. I definitely wouldn't use this indicator as a standalone strategy. And so if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, then I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. You can find a link to it at the end of this video. A thumbnail will pop up at the end there that you can click on and check out that video on the strategy that we are constantly testing and optimizing. It's been proven to be a profitable strategy. And so that's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and cut it here, and we'll move on to the next video from here.